Hello everyone, my name is Anantra Gowde and my group members are Sumit Kalpande, Ritesh Rathod, Nikhil Marathe and me. Our today's topic is hand gesture recognition based on the digital image processing using MATLAB. So this is are the content which I am going to explain in today's presentation. So towards the our introduction. So in this research paper, there is a idea was to develop an interaction between human and computer using a hand gesture. The input are basically taken through the web camera, but in our simulation, we have done it through the uploaded images. This gesture are recognized by algorithm which pre-processor the image and detect the skin. Then literature review. In that we have done this literature review which was given in a research paper. Then need for study. Need for study. The firstly, it allows non-touch interface between human and computer. These are the useful for the who can't hear or speak. It provides human in computer interaction. So the design goes like the firstly with the pixel count algorithm, the image is inserted will be in RGR format. Then the image is converted to the binary images. Then with the morphological operation, the image is encoded, and by a scanning method, the binary images is a pre-processed. Then application. Uh, application of a hand gesture like sign languages recognition. It consists of a set of gesture where is every gesture represented like a one letter or number of expression. It may involve uncovered hand interaction with the camera using computer vision techniques to identify the gestures. The second one is home automations. In that, used to efficiency of a home automation, like shaking a hands or performing some gestures, can easily unable to control lighting, fans, or a robot. Like in third is a clinical and health. During clinical operation, a surgeon maybe need a detail to about patient body structure using a medical. Imagine systems such as a MRI, CT, or X-ray system, which collect the data from the patient's body and display them on the screen as the detail screen using a computer vision techniques. Next is MATLAB simulations.
So this is a code we have simulated. Firstly, it was not possible for us to run the whole code. There are various new functions we have encountered during the simulation. So with the help of a MATLAB command, we got information about the commands. About the CLC, these are the initial command which we are used to clear the workspace and the command window. Then with the command of UI, UI get the file, we display the prompt to get the input from the users and store that path in in full file name variable. Then after that, we used to then we with the help of imread command, we were able to read the image inputted by the users. Then the with the help of the subplot, we assign the row and column in the figure, and with the help of a imshow command, display the user inputted image at a position 1. So here, after we were not able to interrupt the code properly, but with the help of a MATLAB help command, we got a knowledge of many functions like RBG to CBR, which converts the RGB value to the YC color space. Um then IM road, which provides the image, uh, which dilutes the image. The overall concept behind the code is that the firstly they took an image of a hand and then they deleted the figures as they are small and easy to delete. Then they created the size of a plum and the get firstly the fingers as they output. Then subtract the path images, means both images, one of the plum from the BW images. So here you can see the output. Thank you.